much here. So I'm just going to show you how you can use the Marketing Monster app to sign your documents. First, just go over to the payments in your left-hand menu, and then you'll see up in the top menu, documents and contracts. Just click on that one. And then you'll be over on the right hand side, a little blue plus, click that and upload a PDF. So we can just drag our file in here, or we can search for it by clicking on the box or clicking on the blue button. So I'm just going to find my document that I need to sign, upload that and click upload. It's just going to process that now. Let's see how long. Now this document in particular has got quite a few pages to it, so it'll be interesting to see how long it takes to process. Okay, that wasn't too bad at all. So that's working well. Alright, so here's the document editor. So I just need to go down the bottom and I just need to sign down the bottom. So I go down here and I just need to sign here. Right, so just go over here to add an element, and then we're just going to add in signature. Just going to hold and drag that. Just going to drag that over here, and then this is for me to sign, and I can now save that, and I can send that now after I add a primary recipient. And I'll just do that now, and that'll just email that to me. And then I can find that easy enough. Okay, and then it's going to be here. Then just view that document, and then just click start filling out. It'll take me down the bottom. Then I just do my signature. There I go. Finish up. Success. And then I can download that, but I also get an email of that. And that, my friends, is how you can sign documents in the Marketing Monster app. So if you want to check that out, then you can read a bit more about that down in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.